Hi everyone, myself Dr. P. Kanaraj, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sri Sanmugha College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are going to discuss a small concept called what is the need of distributed systems? So before going to learn need of distributed systems, we are going to see a little bit about also the concept of distributed systems. So what is distributed system? So distributed system is a collection of autonomous computers, so which are connected through network. So assume these are the different systems. These systems are connected so with the help of network. So this is called as a distributed system. So what is the purpose of this distributed system? This distributed system is going to solve a problem. A single problem can be solved by collection of autonomous distributed systems. So if normally if the single process system or within a single system, so it will handle only one task here. So in distributed computing, multiple computers autonomously connected through network which are going to solve a single problem. So now why this distributed computing is needed? So resource sharing is the main motivation. Resource sharing is the main motivation of the distributed system, and the resources may be software or hardware. The resource may be software or hardware. The primary requirements of distributed systems are fault tolerance, consistency, reliability, scalability, concurrent transaction. These are the main requirements of this distributed systems. We can see one by one. First one, fault tolerance. So system continues operating despite node or network failure via redundant and recovery. We are having multiple systems. Even though a system is failed, so remaining systems are going to work concurrently to solve the given problem. So this is fault tolerance. So as well as this system continuously operating, so despite node or network failure via a redundancy and recovery technique. We have redundant systems. So as well as there's a recovery system also available. With help of that, so we can manage the fault. So there is the concept of fault tolerance. Next, consistency. So ensure all nodes view uniform data states. So there are multiple systems are going to access data commonly. So these data are going to be consistent. Next, reliability. So maintains correct operation over time with replication and monitoring. Next, scalability, which handles growth by adding nodes without performance loss. So if it is required, so the nodes, that means systems, can be added additionally to manage the current requirement. Concurrent transaction supports simultaneous operation without conflicting of time or timestamps. Next, inherent distributed computation. Tasks like banking, money transfer span multiple sites inherently. So this can be implemented with the help of this distributed systems. So already we have seen in previous slide. So resource sharing is main feature of distributed system, the main need of distributed systems. Peripherals, database and file distribute to avoid bottlenecks and replication limits. Remote access, geographically dispersed data accessed via central servers or mobile technology. Performance or cost ratio, task distribution boosts efficiency as a network of workstation. Finally, modularity, easily integrate or replace heterogeneous using middleware. So with the help of middleware, so we can integrate or replace heterogeneous process. So what are the advantages of this distributed system? Increase performance cost ratio. So this is one of the main feature. So with the help of group of autonomous computers, so we can increase performance as well as reduce cost also. The next, inherent distribution, work is distributed among group of autonomous computers which are connected through a network. Incremental expandability, so based on the requirement, the number of systems in the distributed system can be increased or so based upon requirement. So even though having many advantages, which is also having few disadvantages. So difficult to develop software for distributed systems. So multiple systems are connected. So through some network through that there are multiple systems are connected. So here to writing a software to run a application among these distributed computers is going to be little bit difficult. The next, security is another disadvantage. Easy access to secure data. The security in distributed system is going to be very less. So these two are the disadvantages of the distributed systems. So what are the applications? So where this distributed system concept is used, cloud technologies, the main one, the base for cloud technology is the concept of distributed systems. Next, which is used in healthcare, so which is used in search engine, e-commerce, online banking, etc. So this feature is used at many applications. Some of the applications are displayed here. So not limited to this one. This is used in multiple applications. So just now we have seen the need of distributed computing. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.